Hi, seventh graders. This is Mrs. Mayer, and today we're going to be going over our brain science lesson. Very first, we're going to go over lesson 12, deck 2. Happens to be our first link, so I'm going to click on that. We're going to read the directions together. Now, sometimes it's going to take you to log in again, not a big deal. And I've actually been on Amplify a lot today, but sometimes it just makes you re-log in. Notice I'm using all of my email from my school to log in. Once I get to this, it took me to the right spot, so I'm going to read the directions. The directions tell me you're going to answer true or false questions. Your true or false questions are right here on the right-hand side. You're going to reread this passage. Remember, every time you see a megaphone next to a passage, just means it can be read aloud to you. I encourage you to read that and then answer the questions and hand it in. That's your first link. Your next link is going to take you to lesson 12. Deck 4. Remember each time to hand it in. If you don't hit that hand in button, then we don't actually see it. So we have, this is deck 4, card 1, 2, and 3. We're going to do all 3, and then we're going to hand it in. What are we doing? Again, we're listening to it, and it's going to give me some multiple choice questions to answer. And then I'm going down here, and it says, what was Harlow trying to prove by digging up Phineas's dead body? So I'm going to write in sentences there. And then my last response, I'm going to reread it. And then you're going to answer these questions and then hand it in. So we've done the first 2 links. Now we're going to number 4, which is lesson 4, deck 4. You're almost there. We're proud of you and how hard you're working. If you have gotten behind in any of these lessons, go back and make sure you do all the lessons. Also make sure that you've handed everything in. Okay, so what you're seeing right here is a solo. This is graded. So with that said, the very first card always tells us read it. So read it and then answer the questions. The questions are going to start on the second card. You have 5 multiple choice questions. You have the passage right here. So again, you can listen to it being read to you. Make sure you don't stop here at 6. It does look like it's finished, but it goes all the way 7, 8, and 9. Once you get to 9, you've got to make sure you hand it in so that we can see it and we can grade it. Do your best. Do get a grade on this, and we are going to put that grade in School Loop. Then your very last link is just simply going to be your vocabulary link. And so spend about 10 minutes doing vocabulary. We can see how much time you spend and what you're doing, but 10 minutes is really plenty of time to do that. So you're just clicking on that app and getting started. That's what the app looks like. You just click on it and go. This explains your Amplify lesson for brain science, lesson 12 and 11. Hope it was helpful, and we hope that you have a fantastic week. Thank you for working so hard, and on behalf of all your 7th grade teachers, we greatly miss you.